for a juicy news. Bema Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot Yakwa Eramede Bremo. Na answer and something in Abebano, se we subscribe ya. Bomodia say ube subscribe to channel. Da wa like video no, give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ba wo fufro so da when you be here na and somewhere koso ewo Ghana be mo adam. Afi ye share eye and somewhere abeto ye pono so. Yinti eye sankomo ya aba abeto ya yinti eye sasebi mainti.
Me say Mo MPP4, the best advice I can give you people, say mungu party no before 2028. Say mungu party no. Adi ebeto mo no mumu bebrebe nya hatatake wu. And Friday. Guys, mameka bi benchira mo. Me adi ami chiri. And say Ghana ni be feel say or you better than Ghana ni be. I hate it. Me ba Ghana, me sha Ghana ni. There are so many people I'm not mananti me musa bibi omu free or Ghana. Me musa bibi omu mami free, bibi omu papa free. I don't like it. I have a reason. There are so many people I come to Ghana, I meet, I don't ask you where you are from. But say, oh, you nipa or Ghana. Now I will say, oh, you're better than some group of people, some tribe, some people, the way their name sounds, how they live their life, their lifestyle, and you underestimate or you want to denigrate them. Then you see the bad side of me echo. Yeah. Now this question came up in Parliament. And then the parliamentarians, Ekasa, and the NDC4 leader. Mr. Yaragabusa, NPP4. A simple question. Where is Ken Ofori Atta? In Ghana today, we all know it's on record that the NPP as a political party, all supported Ken Ofori Atta as the finance minister of Ghana. Yebusa a simple question. Where is Ken Ofori Atta from the NPP in parliament? Now, this should be a simple thing. And Kameno ka say, Mo amote Ghana ne abruchi amo se mo ye journalist chairman no. This is the time we want you to pick your mics and go to Akufo Addo and ask him, where is your finance minister? Interestingly, none of the so-called ye interview president, nana ya abrefo, imbrebi ana udi matem. Oka kyerem say, wo de wa interview presidents, mo na mo ye journalist for. Girl ya watwintwumi oda Maryland e Ekuapoki. Mo na mo se mo ye journalist. Ni epesen ka mo je mo mic no na nka mo de Kweku Addo ho. Se kasa bebre ya ekoso no, wo na wo ma Ken Ofori Atta adwuma. What do you think about Ken Ofori Atta's issue at own person obeba Ghana? Why have you people refused to go to Akufo Addo to ask him that question? Nobody wants to interview presidents again. Yeah, you see any personal. You see any journalist for titi America titi basement they can kwasi asem. Sana mo ka kire. Na mo amosi mo pass na mo certification na ya recognize mo Ghana say mo interview president bia no. O man ni Kwabena Agyapong na fu se eduabo. Oni Obimo, why don't they go to Nima and ask Akufo Addo, say, you employed Ken Ofori Atta for 8 years. Today, we want him to just come and answer the job he did, just his stewardship. We want him to answer. Why are you not, you, Akufo Addo? Why are you not speaking out to tell Ken Ofori Atta to come home? You are the best person to speak for Ken to come home. And the Abusa Parliament say, where is Ken Ofori Atta? Do you know what they started doing? You see what they are doing. Yebusa say, where is Ken Ofori Atta? He was finance minister for 8. When my dear me yapa or Ghana. Adia mi wana mi bu fupa right now or Ghana. Sa akosia sewa asare na oye Ken Ofori Atta Grace Jones Oye Ken Ofori Atta vice president for 8 years. A deputy. Or a deputy finance minister for sa girl no enisa nko bia manika sa Ghana. Ghana na bodwe sakap no. Grace Jones no. Sa akosi ase. Na oye Ken Ofori Atta deputy for 8 years. So ubufu Ken Ofori Atta also ubufu sa achenchina no 10 times. But sa achenchina no and they ultimate gina parliament. Why na bodwe sakap. No kekan kwasi asem. She was Ken Ofori Atta's deputy. E kurobia so anka sa girl no ko so ogina trial sisia. Saga na bodwe fiance salmon fish no. Saga no na oye Ken Ofori Atta deputy for 80 years. But for some reason, Grace Jones na bodwe se koko cap no. Ogina parliament ay na basa se fork. And we do have to do this and you have to do that. And I'm saying, hey, why lucky? Yugoslavia and Kaupiya Kiabo naked wabontene. He was the second in command. Grace Jones in Kwasi Asama Ken Ofori Atta she was second in command. Meeting Biano, Wanjantuma Ofori Atta cannot take decisions. Emma abena osaya asare. Ne ho nkasenka sese akekeduro. Ne ho apapo e sa akekeduro. Girl wait to me gina parliament and all kasama NDC for warning. Why are you not doing this? Why are you not doing that? Now also they said wo boom na wo buwem na odi didi. Ye jiminti. And there was somewhere simple question. Say, Ken Ofori Atta no way. Then they started. Yare and Ayarga Kachromo say, you know something? Ken Ofori Atta was sick when he was a finance minister. We all saw it. And he stayed in Ghana. How come today he has refused to return where he's being sought after by the law enforcement agencies? Yebusa MP before Parliament say, Mo Ken Ofori Atta no way. I'm saying, Yamfani Payari and Sereno. You see these monkeys? This is Ayarga responding to the monkeys.
As the records of this House will testify, the government of President John Dramani Mahama and the NDC majority, and I believe the Right Honorable Speaker, we are all very committed to the passage of the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill. If you recall, a couple of weeks ago when we debated this, the Speaker ruled, and he ruled that so far as he is concerned, it is squarely in the hands of the presidency. The Speaker indicated that it is going through the mail.
Sorry, this is the LGBTQ video. But what I was talking to you about, the response Ayarga gave them about Ken Ofori Atta. And you see, that was the wrong video. You see the NPP. This is the time, and was a party no etimichre Ghana for say yenye Jimmy for nya akronfo. Today when you ask about where Ken Ofori Atta is, their answer is that Gyamfi yare ensri nipa Afenyo Markin Gyamfi yare ensri nipa enkwasiafo we MPP. They laughed at Atta Mills omo de ne yare esre no. And we have tapes and publications from these piglets. They laughed at Atta Mills omo sre ne every day omo just Atta Mills we pen omo ya party Kumasi. Adebia MP for betis Atta Mills yare no omo tumi ya party wo bantama the whole night. They laughed at Professor Nana Opoku-Agyeman Yare when we said Nana Opoku-Agyeman wasn't feeling well. They laughed at her. Omutina TV so, betina social media said Nana Opoku-Agyeman ongu girl bi o ma mi bi wa ese na ntwie ne ho fin bi. Ne ho tantan ne ho fin bi. Ne ho basasa jantra fodro asase. Ne ho fin. Omu nyina betina Facebook live. Omu home kura nsi so. Na no Opoku-Agyeman ewu yanya de nipa ho tan. I some sorry no pakuraba no munumu. This is the NPP. Omu ye sa release Speaker of Parliament Alban Bagbin medical record NPP mua with these animals, these dogs, these piglets. At a point, they released Alban Bagbin's medical record. Sa NPP for we. Today we are asking them a simple question. Where is Ken Ofori Atta? And now I had a guy catch up and say, we were in this country, we all saw Ken Ofori Atta sick. Okay, so be Juma. I didn't know that Ken Ofori Atta mrano omeka ejuma ye cheya. More NPP for everybody is quiet. This is Ken Ofori Atta when he was chopping our money. At a point, Yani Ghana for you say, Ken, yes, you don't look good. You look like you are walking dead. You are sick. Ukidi nyina say, for Juma ne to wodo bi mbeye Ken Ofori Atta ka kire say no ka kire.
I think that there are issues of the governance of a country, and these are always important. And I think if you see the way in which we have moderated the advertisement billboards, it shows to a party that is sensitive to the current moments of the situation. But I don't think you can ever let the issue of governance go. Democracy is important. It does cost some amount of money to do that. But clearly you can see an environment that is excited about the future by being able to run a congress or conference of this nature in a way that mimics the situation in the world.
You say resign. Will you resign because of going to the IMF when you said you were not going to the IMF?
That's not a very good question. You know.
Going to the IMF when you said you were not going to the IMF?
That's not a very good question. You know, it's almost like telling a father to resign from his children because he's changed his mind. You know, there are times that decisions have to be made for the survival of a country, and therefore if circumstances such as COVID or Ukraine war occur, which are not typical,
you resign because of going to the IMF when you said you were not going to the IMF?
That's not a very good question. You know, it's almost like telling a father to resign from his children because
when he was sick. Or yarina Owuna, you fly no, you say, why don't you resign? Or say no. Even though I am sick, I'm not going to resign. It's like telling a father to resign from his children. And the kwasia we have a shabruchiri. And the yakacha to say, come home. Nabeka ejuma oyechire ya. MPP4 cannot tell him to come home. And the Obusa MPP4 say, where is Ken Ofori Atta? What they will tell you, they say, me and Fana Yari and Sreno, in 2022, asking me to resign is like telling a father to abandon his children. Yatina Kuruma, my journalist for body in the so. Today we are asking you, where is Ken Ofori Atta? Mose Oyarintima Meyenka. When he was sick, when he was dying, we pleaded with him, say, Jai Jumane Tuo, ne onipa millions o metumaye, or say he's not going to abandon Ghana. Or betineme discado. Today we are asking you, where is Ken Ofori Atta? You people are telling us that we cannot laugh at people's sickness. Na mo MP before go yare egugu mu hui, mo Afenyo Markin mo yare egugu mu hui. Ken Ofori Atta oni my friend yare. Ken Ofori Atta Odimadi Afenyo yare. Now, the case I want to make and say, why is the NPP as a political party? Because ordinarily, say NPP4, okay, Mr. It's okay. Ordinarily, say NPP4 person who prove Ghana for say, and that they are not defending Ken Ofori Atta's criminality. And that when they come to power, they are not still going to continue what Ken Ofori Atta did. Why is the NPP as a political party not issuing a statement that Ken Ofori Atta, we are begging you, come home and come answer for your stewardship? Why is the NPP not insisting that Nana Addo Akufo Addo, who led the party for 8 years and gave Ken Ofori Atta that job as the finance minister for 8 years, why are they not telling Akufo Addo to comment on this matter? Why are they not telling Akufo Addo, una ufa Ken Ofori Atta ejuma, or you wabusieni, and then Kofo nyina se party ya kronfo because of Ken Ofori Atta, and they pese ye ko enim, yentumi ko enim, ye tu ya na ba ko ye se ye wifo, Ye tu na mbienu a ye say ye wifo party. Ye mi obia empese obehu anim. Ye hwan ye tantan se e de mafi. Ade na won kan kire Ken Ofori Atta se omra. Na ommeyi ne ho ano se ne be ya. Ye party we betuma ya akono a kire Ghana fo munim nyansa. Why do you think they are not telling Akufo Addo? And why do you think Akufo Addo is not speaking on Ken Ofori Atta's issue? Say, I employed Ken Ofori Atta. In fact, Ken Ofori Atta is a clean man. He never stole from us. And I believe that he should come home and prove to Ghanaians that we never stole from them. It is because Akufo Addo and the MPP, they connived with Ken Ofori Atta to steal from us. And Nuntina, Akufo Addo is quiet. Mahamadu Bawumia is quiet. Kennedy Agyapong is quiet. Kwabena Agyapong is quiet. Country is quiet. Brani Champon is quiet. Why do you think at this moment, NIPA 5 we are almost pay the new MPP face? They want to sell MPP as a new product to Ghanaians. Why is none of them being bold to say, Ken Ofori Atta, so undi Ghana sika? Why is he hiding, or why is he hiding from Ghana? Why is he not coming back home to answer Ghanaians? Why do you think these 5 men, why do you think they are scared to say that? Because all of them are criminals. Including the 87 piglets. Into the parliament now, almost debate. You see the way the MPP, they are protecting Ken Ofori Atta now. You see the way Afenyo Markin and its 87 piglets, they are in parliament, even referencing Ken Ofori Atta's achievement as Omo record, no. The way they are still protecting a fugitive. You see the way Kojo Kyeremanteng ejina parliament, I can say yes, and Ken Ofori Atta. You see the way they are defending crime. You see the way they are showing you people say they don't feel anything for what they did. They are not sorry for anything they did. They don't care. Now the most dangerous thing is that if these people now, from Akufo Addo, 5 aspirants, the piglets in parliament, for some weird reason, Senkofu now have avoided, or they have not been able to tell Ken Ofori Atta to come home and face the quarter. It means to say, if we make a mistake and give these people power, every single person and we are trying to prosecute, NSSS, National Service Sikano, NPA, Chairman to me, all the scandals, buffer stock, the probability they say they are going to clear all these people of the crime, no, is 1,000%. It means they are still a political party who are not ready, or which is not ready to fight corruption. Because a party there is corruption into your pamomo. Party there is corruption your pamomo. Party there is catastrophe dream into your pamomo. So moon to me you when you can't Ghana for say ye yamo ye nya kronfo embom ye pese approve kyerem say ye ne Afenyo Markin ye group ye nya nkwasiafo ye nya yufo ye pese ma Ken Ofori Atta eba ebeti ye ho, because see no everybody knows MPP is a criminal party from the party's head to the party's tail. Nobody is able to tell Ken Ofori Atta to come home and answer for his stewardship. For Ghanaians to think, say, Munya Bonnet, they are still defending Chrono. They are just waiting. Say, Jimmy, near the 2 more, give to our Ome, you know, Chama won't you, you know, because Sabia about the Chrono, yeah, try to jail them. No, their main focus now is to release those people. Mama can't show. Say, MPP, we need power 2028. January 2029, Ken Ofori Atta will be in Ghana. Say, MPP, we need power 2028. January 2029, Ken Ofori Atta will be in Ghana, sitting at the inauguration, and the next day he will be at cabinet. I am telling you people. And they are the people still funding the party. Ken Ofori Atta musika no they run the party no. Say Ken Ofori Atta enwieska. Say party ni pese omo disassociate omo hu free Ken Ofori Atta ensem no ho a, the party will make a move. The party will take the lead in this conversation. Nanado Danko Akufo Addo will call BBC and grant an interview and tell BBC, say, I want Ken Ofori Atta to come to Ghana and answer for his stewardship, because it's a dent on my integrity. Because right now, it was Akufo Addo who employed him. Akufo Addo who employed a criminal is now sitting here running away from questions about a criminal. Akufo Addo ne Bawumia mienu ena omo employ Ken Ofori Atta. Enkwasiafo we nyina ye dwom about Ken Ofori Atta krono. So what shows is Bawumia onya kromfo. Bawumia has been walking in this country bancher like a dog when you rabies. He has never spoken about Ken Ofori Atta's issue. Say he wants a new face for the NPP. And that's a Ken Ofori Atta bar. The Ghanaian people no omobe believe NPP say yenya kromfo. Why can't Bawumia do it? Why can't he do it? If he believes it's a Ken Ofori Atta or believe say the party no, we should see it as a new party. The NPP hasn't changed. It's still a criminal cartel. It's still a party filled with criminals. Why is it so difficult for the 5 people who want to lead the party to boldly pick a mic and say, I am an NPP member. I want Ken Ofori Atta to come and face the court, because that is affecting our integrity. People are not listening to the party because you see you for, you protect you for. Why is no man in the party? You are thieves. You are criminals. You are criminals. Mu ye wifo. Mu ya kromfo. Mu just a Ghana for Jimmy. Akufo Addo has no integrity. Nothing. Akufo Addo's integrity is in the gutters. You know why? Senko onya kromfo a. Nanado dan Akufo Addo na oji newu no. Senko onya wia ko beje mic. Obe grant interview. Obe tina TV so ne Ghana for aka say you know something. My integrity is at stake. I led this country for 8 years and I employed this guy. And I am saying on authority, Ken Ofori Atta, come, save my integrity and save this party. Because if you come and then you stand trial and Ghanaians get to know you never stole from us, this party now will be a party that's attractive to every Ghanaian. So far, Akufo Addo atchede nankasa denchemono, he is quiet like a duck. They are so-called intellectuals from Kofi Bento, Esankuma, the criminals, Ato, and all these fools. They have moved away from Ken Ofori Atta's issue. They should hold the Akufo Addo's balls and tell Akufo Addo to tell Ken Ofori Atta to come to Ghana. They can't do it because when the MPP, they were in power, people like Bento Munyina, they got the booty. They made money. That is why everybody is moving or running away from Ken Ofori Atta's matter. Because Sanka MPP, a party be omokano kura. Anka omo primaries we omo primaries we anka o second Ofori Atta the conversation and the hallmark of their primaries. Yes, I was sanka baby omedru bia no omo tumi ka che Ghana for say many of me Bawumia me be me che Ghana for say yenya kromfo de si ye na nkofo keka say ye wie sika ye de Akufo Addo ebusua no. I want to tell Ghana for say to prove to Ghana for say yenye yufo no me Bawumia me pese Ken Ofori Atta eba Ghana enimeni ya na obe face trial na Ghana for who say yenye yufo inti Ken Ofori Atta we are insisting come. They can't do it. You know why? They can't do it because they know it's a party ni yufo party. MPP only a pirates of the Caribbean. Only a national pirate of the Caribbeans. These are people who never stop stealing. Their thirst for stealing is unimaginable. They are political pirates of the Caribbean. These are pirates of the Sahara. The NPP as a political party, they are a political pirate. They are political pirates. They are pirates of the Sahara. They steal from the Sahara. They are pirates of the Sahara. Near to Kroma and Akufo Addo. And my catcher I say, Ken Ofori Atta is going to work for. Yes, MPP for the Ken Ofori Atta. Why are they all scared? Why is Akufo Addo chichidena urging the ewuno? Why hasn't he spoken about Ken Ofori Atta's issue? Why is he not insisting Ken Ofori Atta comes to Ghana? It's
arguably one of the most successful bankers in our country. An American educated, Columbia, Yale, the rest. Worked in Wall Street as a young man for Morgan Stanley and for Salomon Brothers. And when he returned here to Ghana in the late 80s, early 90s, combined with his partners to found what has become the most successful investment bank in our country, that is Data Bank. It's grown to have affiliates across the continent. So we have somebody who's been deeply involved in the economies, not just of Ghana, but of several countries on the continent, and has been successful in promoting investment and development in those economies. His reputation in international capital, money markets, very high. We want to get the Ghanaian economy fully back on track and developing so that we can create jobs and lift and raise the living standards of our people. We need an economist. We need somebody with finance who has the range, who has the capacity, and has the insight into how to move modern economies. I believe that most people who are dealing in the money market, the capital markets of our country, would acknowledge him as one of the outstanding figures in it. He, for the last 3 years, has done something I suspect many members of his family thought was a madness. He stepped down from his leadership of the data bank to follow me and give me his full support and became chairman of the personal.
Yale, Columbia, Morgan Chase, Scott for market na oton sakawa mamo, oton scandal mamo, oton kromfo mamo, white, and the same le put, the same le frog, the same baby who needs help cannot boldly say Ken Ofori Atta, come back to me. Kai say ye nyina ne wi ankofo sika. Ken, come back to me. Ontimi mbie na no na ne sene tutu ne say Ken Ofori Atta mra no meyi ne ho ano. You were selling amonchi to us and you were telling us a imperial leader. Abuofunu. Why is he quiet? Mo anamo se mo interview president no mo twemo mic nko he. Another conversation you don't want to have. Akufo Addo has no integrity. Or ye we. Anytime I mean respecting or no. Akufo Addo is a thief. Only integrity be amame. When it comes to politics, as a family man, he has his kids, he's a family man. I respect that. But Akufo Addo as a politician is a criminal. Or ye we. And he would die as a thief. Why is he not being bold? Why is he not stepping out to say, let me talk on this matter? Why is Bawumia hiding from this matter? Why is Kennedy hiding? Why is Brian hiding? Why is everybody hiding from the NP in the MPP? Nobody wants to be bold enough to say, Ken, come now. Akufo Addo is a thief. He needs to prove Ghanaians wrong. Christian Council in Kwasi Adjumani Binie, go to Akufo Addo and tell Akufo Addo to tell Ken Ofori Atta to come. Mode mon Kwasi Assembly na Ghana, ya kama odima na mubuofu. Christian Council, go to Akufo Addo. Unnecessary conversations na moso soso. Why don't you go to Akufo Addo and tell Akufo Addo, Mr. Akufo Addo, you actually employ Ken Ofori Atta. We are the Christian Council. A lot is happening. People are saying a lot of things about you and your party. Now, people are saying the party is a criminal party because Ken Ofori Atta doesn't want to come and answer for his stewardship. Mr. Akufo Addo, please say something and instruct Ken Ofori Atta to come. What is the Ghana broadcast na enkwasi politics na moye? Mo sorry amako Jubilee House. Ye nko si cathedral. Ye ndidi ye nko si cathedral. E dey enkwasi questions no. Ye kam odima amusi emu ade. Mo mfa mo Bible nko Akufo Addo ho. Christian Council, go to Akufo Addo. Go to him, go to that toy and tell him, say, he should tell Kono, and I can afford to see the Anyamenu and Mumuncha taxes. Christian Council Muncha taxes, and I'm going to pay for some Muncha taxes. Apart from Castle Connection, some we are Ghana for. A pay for. Go to Ofori Atta, Akufo Addo. You people should march to Akufo Addo. We want to build this nation. We want transparency. We want everybody to answer for his stewardship. Asare na mutuetu ano no. Ya frem se mumbe ya no amonko. Ma mo mpanifo a mutifia mo we nanka. Mo hye corners na mo jeje contract na mo ne politicians edidi bom. Mo wi na ma hyeka so ka bekeke nkwase asema kire se yemmu mo. Go to Akufo Addo. Mo nko Akufo Addo. Na mo ga nche se onkasa. Devil's counsel. You people think we are foolish, right? In the middle of this chaos, we don't even have money to eat. Your concern. Of Christian Council. Less than 20 years. You are thinking about a cathedral. More Christian Council. 20 years will be over 20 years. You all die. Is that what you are? Is your problem now? More Christian Council. Picture. You will see say NPP you are asking for a cathedral. Yet to Kroma ne kufu kwasi pay be book judge for dying to go ye. Now the mumu krom nsa ase na ho. Other man directing ho. Motete Ghana and yaso somo so na kwasi ade. Your colleagues in other countries, your colleagues in the UK, your colleagues in the US, your colleagues in Europe, they are telling the government to do things that will benefit the people. Your concern is cathedral.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.